Alright, this is the door of a 2013 Ford Fusion. This works for any Ford Fusion after 2013 till 2020 because that's when they're discontinuing it. But so I wanted to make a video showing how to remove the door handle because I looked online and I didn't find anything. So first you have to go ahead and peel off this little rubber gasket, and then you take it in. So I have a T27 bit on a ratchet, and you have to unscrew the screw in there. So if you look in here, you can see there's a screw right there. The blue wire is the wire for the door code. That's right here. Now you take this, just put it in there. A little hard to see, but I think you guys know how to use a screwdriver or a ratchet even. So now when it's in there, you just keep turning it, and you have to also hold the handle up. So you hold the handle up, open, while you turn it. Just keep turning, and eventually the handle is just gonna pop out. And I found this really hard to do when I first did this. It took me about like 4 tries to get it right. I actually destroyed one of the back pieces in this process. I'll show you guys that at the end of the video. But I finally got it down, and now it should just pop out at any minute. Any second. There we go. Oops, my camera kind of jumped there, but there we go. So it popped out, and this is the door handle, and you just pull it like at an angle, sort of in this direction, and then keep changing the angle more and more upwards, and it comes out. There you go. This is the door handle without the proximity sensor and the intelligent key and stuff, but the process for that one is the same, and this one will just come straight out. This is the lock cylinder. It's the same process for all of the door handles on the car, and now I'll show you guys the actual inside of it. So this is the one I broke. So basically there's this carriage right here that's moving forward and back. So when you push the screw, this is a perfect one, which is intact. So when you loosen the screw's not actually moving from here, it's just moving from here. It's not moving from here but here, and it pushes this carriage more outward. So what that looks like is, if this carriage is closed right now, so if you look in there, that's locked. Now as you move the screw, see, it unlocks. So you can see locked, unlock. This is the unlock position, this is the lock, and then it goes much farther to also allow for, so even this latch, this silver latch moves, and that's what's holding the door handle in, and it just pops out once you get all the way back. You just have to hold the door handle open while you're doing it, and that was the confusing part for me in the first couple times. Yeah, this part is pretty expensive, but I had extra, so I didn't really mind breaking it. You break one and you learn how to do the rest. So that's what happened here. If you're looking to find if you need more help that I didn't provide here, you can also look up the door handle for the Mustang, 2013 onwards Mustang, or Ford Edge. They all have the same door handles, and they all work the same way to remove. So those videos might be helpful to you. These doors are dented and like fully smashed in. You can't really see it because of the plastic, but they're garbage. I'm just taking the door handles off because I'm gonna throw away the rest of the door. I need the door handles for the replacement door, since they're painted, and I don't want to paint new ones. But yeah, everything else is pretty good. I hope you learned how to do this, and I hope I described it accurately. Thanks for watching.